So a typical managed lawn in the US gets 5 times more pesticides per acre that is used on an industrial farm, right? And many times more nitrogen and other inputs as well. And the general approach in yards is like one size fits all. We'll just douse it just in case. That not only does that not work well, it also creates a ton of follow-on damage to the environment and also a danger to your kids and your pets.
I mean, when you think about how lawns are typically cared for in America and the world, it's kind of like if we had breakfast every morning and instead of having like your 2 eggs and a strip of bacon and a piece of toast and maybe some fruit on there, you're served a pound of bacon, you're served 24 eggs.
Can't afford that.
Yeah, right. And then you're served a loaf of bread and like maybe a pound of butter that's melted on top of that. And so what happens there? You just engorge yourself, eat as much as you can. You feel a little sick, and then you waste the rest of it. The rest of it gets tossed out.
You know, when it doesn't have a place to go and it's more than the grass can actually use, it runs off. It goes into the environment. It goes into waterways. It creates algae blooms. It kills fish. Has large environmental consequence, but it doesn't stop there. Then it's in your water, in your home. And I don't think these are the sort of things that we want to be living with.
I mean, one of the things really Sunday has done is we've taken this minimum level sustainable nutrition ideal and made that kind of our central focus. We look to just use just the right amount of fertilizer at the right amount of times, so you're optimizing the growth of your lawn. You're growing to health.
Yeah, I think Sunday's all about precision. That's the idea.
Yeah. I mean, so our approach is different from, I would say, a lot of the incumbent big companies out there.
Yeah, I think we tend to treat this area as like a carpet that needs to be chemically cleaned, when actually it's a living thing that needs care. And it's an entirely different approach to how the industry has done this before. Today on Sunday Lawn, Shredding to Donut.
It's really like a cartoon for the taste buds.